Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to reset Wi-Fi to default settings in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and type network reset and hit enter. Click in this button, reset now, your PC will be restarted. This will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. Click on reset now, confirm on yes, and close this new pop-up window in notification. Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. Click on close, close, and reset manually in the start menu. Select the power off button and click on restart and wait a moment. And this is all. In this case, I select no. Do you want to allow your PC to be discoverable by another PC and device on this network? We recommend allowing this on your home and work networks, but not in public ones. I click on no, and your problem has been fixed. You can check your network adapter or Wi-Fi adapter and works properly. And this is all. Your connection has been restored. Go to any website to check the internet, and this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.